Good morning, everyone. This is Cassandra Shine from Beautiful Creations, and today I'm going to talk about packing and shipping your orders. I think packing is one of my favorite things to do, for one, but I think packing and shipping is like one of the most valuable things that you can do for a customer. There is value in presentation, and so today I'm going to show you how I pack my ornaments when I ship them off. Okay, so I've already prepped the box, but we're going to start out with a 3x3 shipping cardboard box. Okay, I love these little boxes. I usually ship in a 4x4, but this is a small ornament. This is what I will be shipping out to my friend Terry. She ordered this beautiful purple ribbon ornament. It says hope, and it's got a purple ribbon on this side. So isn't that cute? Okay, so it's a tiny ornament, so that's why it's in the smaller box. But usually I have bigger ornaments, and they go in a little larger box. Okay, so I have my little bag, and in my bag I put my business card, which has my logo on it, Beautiful Creations. And I also have this little instruction manual telling you about your ornaments and how to take care of it. And it has on there handmade in the USA, my logo, and on the back I have stamped handmade from the heart, and I put a little smiley face on it. And so these go into the bag. These go into all of the bags that I ship out. Terry is local, and usually people that live locally, I usually tell you to hit me up in my inbox, or if you have my phone number, text me if you would like something to save on shipping. But we have a busy schedule, and so she had already placed the order, so I'm just going to ship it out for her anyway. But if you live locally and you see something in my Etsy shop that you want, just hit me up. Or you got a special order you request, just hit me up. Most people order out of my Etsy shop, they are from out of the state. So if I can save you some shipping, I will gladly do that. I know shipping is going up, especially with a lot of people ordering online. It's gonna just get higher, and if I can save you some money, I surely will. Okay, and on the bottom I have my label. Let me pull that little string off. On the bottom is my little label, and it says handcrafted with love for you, Beautiful Creations. And that goes in there like that. And I fold it down. And I stick my little label on it. This is Beautiful Creations, and it just says check us out on Etsy, Facebook, and Instagram. And there it is. Okay, and so I put my little peanuts in here first, just to give it a little cushion so it won't be moving all around. And then I have my packing label. And I fold it in half. My packing slip, I meant, not label. And it goes inside the box like this. But this one I'm going to have to probably fold in a little bit because it's a smaller box. Okay. Yeah. Fold in. Put the peanuts back inside. And put the ornament on top. too many peanuts in here. Okay, so there you have it. And you want to align the top closing the same direction. But here is the packing slip, the ornament, and the peanuts all inside. And so I'm going to seal it. Okay, there you have it. All right, then I am going to put the label on top. I like to, when I get orders in, I like to ship them out as soon as possible. A lot of times I tend to get a lot of orders in, like, I don't know, people be up at 1 o'clock in the morning, and when I wake up I have a order. So what I like to do is get those orders out as soon as possible. As soon as possible. Okay, so with this being a smaller box and the label's a little bit bigger, I got it on there. So what I do is I put a little extra tape to cover up the label. And it also helps secure the box a little bit. Then I do the other side. Okay. Now I'm going to have to put some tape around here just because of the labeling. The other boxes, the label goes on, it's like almost the perfect size, so it goes on perfect. But this one, I can just put some on the side to seal it up. And there you have it. We are done. Nice, no shaking. Thank you for tuning in. This is Cassandra with Beauti4Creations. Thank you for tuning in.